Hi folks, welcome back. Well, we're out in the garage again. As promised last week, I'm going to have a clean up of the garage and try and rearrange things so that we can get the Mini into the middle of the floor. Whether I'll have achieved that today, I don't know. And there's the reason why. That's the filter from the old paint booth, so I want to access that again. I've had the Mini in this morning, putting the underfloor tray back on again, and now I've got Arnie opened up. Cassandra wants me to do this, line the shelves in the cupboard that I made. She wants them lined in the carpet to stop the baskets and things that she puts in. I'll let you see it better with the light on. As you can see, they're just bare wood at the moment. Put them in so just to use it the last time we were away. So even the roof's not done yet because the skylight wasn't sealed. So now that that's all done, I can get that all carpeted up. So that's the mission for today. Done a few bits this morning. So there's Simba adopting the position. He's going to sit up there and watch me, nice and comfy. This is one pampered pooch. Anyway, as you can see, not much happening in the cab area. There's still wiring stuff lying everywhere because I'm still in the process of actually designing and sorting out where things are going. So we'll come back to that in another video. But anyway, made a start this morning. And this afternoon after lunch, and I've got the bits of carpet cut ready to put on the shelves. So that's the purple heather carpet. So we'll take that through and bring you back in when it's finished. And there we go. That's the roof of the cupboard, boarded and carpeted. The shelves all carpeted. It looks quite well, I do say so myself. A bit of adhesive there. I even carpeted the little box at the bottom with the heater duct going through to the toilet. So I sorted that out as well. So yeah, quite pleased. Simba's still lying there, as you can see. Well, he's now looking out the back window. The eagle-eyed would notice there was still the wooden. I'm going to put like a veneer on the front of it, the same as the top shelf, to sort of try and match. Well, that's what I was going to do. Sandra's got other ideas. She says she wants to just do the beige paint. So anyway, so that's that mission achieved today. Something else I want to do. The wheels on the welder stick out quite a bit beyond the welder, and the welder's going to live where the red toolbox that you can see in the left hand side there. So that's going to move to the other end of the garage, and the welder's going to sit there with the wheels on. It obstructs the garage door as you're coming in. So if I've got to bring the car in for any reason, the Mini in for any reason, I wouldn't get it in with the welder there. So what I'm going to do is take the wheels off and put two heavy duty castors underneath, which will be inboard as opposed to outboard, and it basically saves me, I think it's about 70mm, 75mm. So that's the mission this afternoon, is get that done. So I've had to take the CO bottle off, get the wheels off, and put the castors on, drill the castors in, and see what's what. So I've stuck on to fast forward because there's no point in you sitting watching me measuring out, marking and drilling 8 holes in the bottom of the welder just to sort of put some castors on. So basically that's the reason for it. As I say, I want to put it in that corner. I'm trying to tidy up the garage so that I can work through the winter on the Mini, because as the winter starts to bite, I won't be able to do much on Arnie because obviously it's outside. I can't pull it into the garage. I can get it in the garage, but it's just I can't close the door. Yeah, I've got the height in the garage, but I've just not got the length in the garage. Since I rearranged the steps and stuff and took the paint booth out, you can't get a long vehicle in anymore because I've took away, with the staircase going into the house, I've took away the section that let you get a long vehicle in. It is what it is. So as I said, what I'm doing here is I'm taking the wheels off. The wheels stick out quite a bit, and with the wheels off and the new inboard casters, it will fit in the section where the red toolbox is without obstructing a car coming in any way. And then I'll move the red toolbox up to the other end where my little fridge is, and I'll put my little fridge up on top of it. So I should get what I actually want without too much of a grief, and then I can turn the Mini round and I'll get the seats and stuff out. So anyway, the wheels are on, as you can see, and it looks a damn sight better. To be honest, it actually moves about easier than what the big wheels did. So I don't know. I'll be changing the gas bottle because it's a CO2 bottle. The welder's not actually mine, it belongs to a good friend of mine's, and he let me borrow it. It's his, like, a spare welder. It was his father's, and but he's in this sort of line of business, so he's got a couple of welders, so he's gave me, it was like it's going to be like used as a spare, so he's let me have it to practice on. So hence why I've only just put the wheels on it. I'm not damaging it beyond repair. The wheels can get back on and the casters can come back off, and I'm sure we can weld up the holes. But anyway, it is what it is. We've sorted it out, and we should be able to rejig the garage now. So yeah, that's basically about it. So I'll be able to do some bits through the winter. I'm going to learn to weld, teach yourself welding 101, and we'll get on with the Mini. Won't be much done next weekend. I've got the WhatsApp group coming. We're having a night out on Saturday night. We've got Dave from Classic Car Cave, Paul Jeffries from Paul Jeffries Engines, the infamous Martin Reed, and myself and Mark Shorrock. We're all going out on the lash and for a bit of scran and go and do the illuminations. So should be a good Saturday night. So I don't see me doing much on the Sunday, so I don't think you'll get much chance of getting a video out me next Sunday. Anyway, it's looking forward to next weekend, and we should have a good crack and a good night. Might even give us a wee video out of that. But anyway, if you liked the wee video, folks, give us a wee like and a subscribe, and if you didn't, tough. Anyway, ta-ra for now. Bye-ra.